got you on film, buddy. Now if you do anything, it's gonna be logged as evidence. Hey. Camera's rolling. Don't do anything illegal. Get out of here. Let's go this way. I don't want them. Oh my God. That oversized, he was, I'm not sure exactly what he did, but that one other driver came out there with the baseball bat, came at the other three people out there. I was videotaping to make sure he wasn't doing anything illegal. If he would have assaulted him or whatever, I could use this video in a court of law for evidence. I was doing it for their protection. And he seen me too. He seen me shooting the camera. I was doing it for their protection. So he didn't do anything crazy. He knew I was videotaping him. Now if he does anything illegal, like assault somebody, he would be on videotape and I'd use this in a court of law. So that's why I was videotaping. And he seen me too. That's why he backed down. As soon as I whipped out my camera, he backed down. So he's still out there threatening him. All right. I'm gonna go now.